Okay, welcome to this video. Omar Martin here again with my beautiful wife,
Melinda Martin.
And we're going to be talking about pages and layout. These are the must-have pieces of your membership site. We're going to go line by line with these. We've already gone through the trifecta in the prior video. I'm calling it the trifecta because there's three things, the three foundations: WordPress, Optimized Press, and Wishlist Member. Now we've got to have pages to our website, and right now the way it's installed, it really doesn't have anything. So before we actually go and start doing a screen view of that, I wanted to go over the things that we put in. First and foremost, a good membership site is going to have legal pages. Now, I'm not an attorney, and I'm not pretending to be one, so you're going to want to create the legal text to protect your site and your company. These are the pages that we use on our websites. We have a terms of use a legal page, and these pages are all located on a footer. We can show you how to do that inside of using Optimized Press, but on those pages we have a terms of use. We have a privacy policy. We have a Digital Millennium Copyright Act notice. We have an earnings disclaimer, which is the earnings and the disclaimer. That's kind of the same thing. We have an anti-spam policy, and we have an external links policy. Okay, so you can go and buy these pre-written. There's templates out there. You can, but again, I'm not an attorney, and you need to make sure that you have these protecting your company, and you have to make sure that you customize them for the type of business that you're doing. So legal pages right there. Just in this set alone, we've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. So the next type of pages that you need to make for your website are error pages, because a page has to exist if somebody makes a mistake, if they try going to a URL that doesn't exist, if they aren't logged in, if they go to log out, right? So you need to create a login to continue page. You need to create a membership cancel page. The login to continue page is it's actually the non-member page, right? That's the page that we use for non-member. You can have a separate page for people that are trying to access something in your site without being logged in, and you could actually have that page say, sorry, you're not a member. To become a member, click here. Or you could just send everybody to the login to continue page if they're not logged in, which is generally what we tend to do. It's the lazy man's way to do it, so you don't have to create 2 error pages. But you can create one for each of those scenarios. One for when they've logged out and you want them to log in to continue, and one for when they're not a member. They're not actively logged in but trying to access a logged in page. Then you can actually tell your site, hey, display this instead. Then you have 2 other levels. You have the membership canceled error, and you have the wrong membership level page. Now, the membership canceled error page can be set to display whenever someone is not an active member anymore, but they used to be.
Correct.
So when somebody is not a member anymore because their site has been canceled, maybe they got refunded, or maybe they've been terminated, or for whatever reason you've canceled their membership, but now they've tried to log back in, they're told, hey, your membership site has been canceled. Contact our support desk if you think there's a mistake, right? And then when you get to the support desk, you guys, Melinda and Josie and whoever the team is at your support desk, they can go in and check and see what happened and say, oh, yeah, we remember you. You're the one that did the chargeback, right? So why are you trying to access the site if you got, you know what I mean? So you can do that. And then the other one is the wrong membership level page. Now, this is different. This is actually when someone who has access to a different level,
they try to access
something they haven't paid for.
Correct.
So if you're a basic member, but you try accessing gold content or something like that. So the gold content maybe costs $100, but you only paid $25. You don't have access to that membership level. Well, we've got to show those people an error page too. So there's actually a setting in Wishlist where you designate what page to display when all of these different things happen. So Wishlist actually has a page that says, okay, well, what are your default pages here? What do you want us to show when a non-member tries to log into the site? What do you want us to show when an existing member tries to access incorrect content? What do you want us to show when a canceled member tries to get back in? And you have to create those pages. You have to put whatever message you want on those pages. You have to make those error pages. Okay, the next set of pages that we want to create are basically our standard pages. Now, This is the content. This is the stuff inside of your website. This is where you give them your material. So there's no rules like to this. You can customize this. You can get creative. We have a specific set that we tend to do with all of our websites, our membership sites. You need to have a home page, okay? So that one is basically the welcome page. When they log in for the first time, you can set a difference. You can have two home pages, right? So you can have a home page for that displays only once, the first time that the user ever logs in. So that one could be, hey, thank you, congratulations, here's your receipt, blah, blah, blah. So they see purchase details and whatever confirmation once. And then every other time that they log into your site after that, they could be another home page for them. You can set all that thing, and you can set that per level. So you could have a gold member see a specific homepage. When they log in, you could have a basic member see a different page. So you can do all of that. So that's a pretty important one. A support page, I'm going to recommend that you have a support page or support link or a way for them to contact support from inside of your membership site. This is always good because you're always going to have people that don't follow instructions. You're always going to have people that don't want to read the instructions or the quick start guide. They don't want to watch the video. They think they know more than they actually do. They jump right into using the tool. They run into a problem, and then they're like, oh, this doesn't work. They need help. And you want them to at least be able to create a support ticket.
I recommend that you don't protect that page, because if they're on, they get put to like a non-member level or another page, and they click on support and it's protected, guess what? They're not going to be able to access that page.
Right. And that's you actually bring up a very good point. You shouldn't just leave that page unprotected. There are a few pages that you should leave unprotected. As a matter of fact, the only pages that you should truly protect are the ones that contain your content, your actual material that you're displaying. I don't even recommend that you you should protect your homepage, your welcome page. You shouldn't protect your FAQ, your contact us page, your support page. Those are pages that you want anybody to be able to access. You want anybody to be able to get to know your hours of operation. You want anybody to be able to see your support details, your frequently asked questions. That's fine. Another one is this next one, the next two pages, the Earn Money page and the Promo Tools page. So I call it the Earn Money page. It's the affiliates page. It's the page where you recruit your customer to become your affiliate. I recommend that everybody has this. You may say, well, Omar, I'm in the health and fitness niche, or Omar, I'm in the medical niche, or Omar, I'm in this or whatever. The bottom line is that your customers can outsell you 10 to 1. I've said this in numerous training courses of mine. If you are not recruiting your customers to recommend more customers, you're missing the boat. You're leaving a lot of money on the table. So the Earn Money page explains the process to them. It explains to them, hey, you can refer customers and I'll pay you a referral fee. I will give you 50% commission or 100% commission or whatever it is. But you've got to assume that your customer has no idea how to do that, what internet marketing is or anything. So you're going to teach them on the Earn Money page. Then another page that kind of goes with the Earn Money page is the
tools.
The tools. Because now you've explained the process to them, but they need the tools to actually do it. Mm-hmm. The weight page. This is one that obviously does not get protected because this is almost considered a funnel page. So weight page means, wait, before you go, why don't you try this free report or one? So we put the weight page as an exit pop or as an exit redirect from the sales page. And this is for people that decide not to buy and they close the page without buying. Before they leave, you want to offer them something for free. Maybe a leaked chapter, maybe a free demo of the website, maybe a mini course, anything. Something to get them to give you their email address before they go so that you have the opportunity to build trust with them over time and then try to get them to come back to your sales page and buy later. Obviously, that's a page we don't want protected. Funnel pages, your sales page, your upsell page, your downsell page, the funnel, the sales funnel. Obviously, we want everybody to be able to see that. There's no protected downloadable material on there, so we don't want to actually do that. Now, content by level. You might have a basic content page. You might have a free content page. So let's say on your weight page, you gave away a free report. Well, you're going to have a level called free. And in that level, that content might be accessible to everybody. There's no need to protect it. It's a free level page. But you actually, no, you should protect that level. Yeah, you have to protect it.
You don't want them sharing it.
Right.
Because what will happen is they'll share it and those people won't get put on your mailing list.
Right.
So if they're going to share that page, you want to make sure that they're...
Correct. So it is protected, but we want to label it free. So we want to create a free member level for it, but protect that. So you are actually going to have a content level for a content page for the free level. You're going to have a content page for the paid levels, basic, gold, silver, whatever you want to name them. And if you have a software, you might have a page for download your software. If you have a tutorial or a training page, you can. This is where you can get creative and just create the pages that you feel you need. The resource pages. This is one that if you feel that there are additional products that you can recommend or that you can suggest, you can put them all on one page. Either way, I'm indifferent with the resources page. If it's useful stuff, yeah, go ahead and do it. But I don't just create a resources page for the sake of like, hey, let me just put a bunch of resources that have nothing to do with, you know what I mean?
You could always put like products that you've mentioned throughout your training. So if you're talking about wish list, maybe putting a link with your affiliate link inside of a resources page, or if you're talking about, things that you use that don't cost any money, then having those links inside of that place. So that way, when your members are on your site and they're like, man, where did he mention that before?
They don't have to go through all the videos to find it.
They just go to the resources and you can have them listed, and you can divide them, do whatever
makes sense.
you want.
That makes perfect sense. Okay, and those are the standard pages. So 3 sets of pages, we just went over them. And now what we're going to do is we're going to actually jump back into the site. Let me go to the browser, and instead of going to the site, what I want to do is I want to give you a demonstration of those pages, because obviously the site that we just installed and started setting up, it's only got one page on there. That's that default sample page that comes with WordPress. So what we want to do is give you a quick walkthrough of those pages that we just described. So I'm going to go to, and don't freak out because the site that we're going to show you is already fully built, and it's got a lot of pages. Like, it doesn't just have the ones that we mentioned. It has all the additional ones, all the sales page ones. And the site that I'm talking about is Content Nitrous. So obviously this is the sales page for the website. But what I want to do is log into the website. So I'm going to go to the login page. So I'm just going to type home. It's going to show me the exit splash. It's going to show me the weight page. This is the page that we call weight.
Hey, wait, before you go, let me hook you up with my free report called Backend Monetization Secrets. I also want to give you limited access to the members area just so you can check it out and see what Content Nitrous is all about. Just click the button on this page and create a username and password, and I'll see you inside.
Okay, so that's what a weight page looks like. It's a very simple page with a button on it that takes them to a default wishlist registration page if you are giving away free level. You don't have to give away free access to your site. You don't have to make a free member level. That's just what we chose to do for Content Nitrous. Look what we're doing on copy paste commissions. This is another site of ours that's very successful, and we have a totally different type of weight page. The weight page in this particular scenario is just it's actually just a squeeze page. So if we click to leave here, check this out. It's just like this full background page, and then if we click here, it just asks for our email address. Okay, and if we don't do that, let me go back to the. Oh, hold on. I just want to show you. Stay on this page here. Hold on. So here what we're doing is grab some free samples. So what we did in this particular situation is we said, hey, how about you just grab some free samples? If they enter their email address, what we chose to do with this site is email them a daily sample of each of the videos. So we gave them a little walkthrough of the site in little chunks every single day, and each one of those emails that they're going to get over the next week or whatever it is has a link at the bottom that brings them back to the sales page. So there's a lot of different things that you could choose to do on a weight page. Okay, but that's a sample of a weight page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the site here, And here is a login page. This is the log into continue page, as you can see right there. And I have my username and password saved, so let me just autofill that. Okay, so now we're logged in here to the members area, and this is the kind of default setup that we use. We like to call it our skeleton, actually. Look what we have here, our skeleton template. So one of the things that we do is we create these websites frequently. We create membership sites frequently, okay? And as a result, we've learned that since we have to do this process over and over and over and over and over again a lot, it's easier to just have a clone, to just have a skeleton that we deploy each time. So every single time we don't have to make all of those pages. We have a standard, a standard kind of template. Yeah.
And basically all we have to do is just change and, graphics.
Right.
And add our images and the new product name or stuff like that. It makes it a lot quicker.
Right. Well, we offer that skeleton as a bonus here inside of Content Nitrous. For anybody that joins Content Nitrous, they'll find a fast action bonus here, and that fast action bonus kind of says to them, "Hey, look, we're going to give you our membership site skeleton if you purchase this product from us." So this is a tactic that we use on a lot of our sites. So this means that when somebody becomes a Content Nitrous member, we say, "Hey, thank you for becoming a Content Nitrous member. As a bonus, we'd like to offer you the membership site skeleton that we use to build Content Nitrous. And we'll do that as a reward if you buy yet another product through us." And this one is called Scriptall, also a very useful tool to create sales copy and to create all of the email sequences and follow-ups and things like what we were just talking about, those free email sequence follow-ups, that sales copy for the sales page, things that people really struggle with. So we like offering inside of our membership sites, we like making the offer to congruent products that we know the customer is going to need or end up buying eventually. So we try to give them an incentive and say, "Hey, look, this is a tool that we know you need, so we'll give it to you for free. We've done the work. We've created all the pages. We've done all that, and we're going to let you use ours, and we'll give it to you as a bonus if you buy Scriptall," which is something you're probably going to end up buying anyway. "If you buy it through our link now, we'll give you this as a bonus." So that's something that we do. That's a tactic, by the way, that we teach within Content Nitrous. We actually teach you that fast action bonus.
So they got a little sneak peek.
They got a little sneak peek. Plus, they also learned how they can get a copy of our skeleton template. So anyway, what we're doing here is we're showing you the pages, and this is our home page. And you'll see that on our home page, we like to welcome them with a little welcome message. I like to show them their content, their details. So, for example, their name. So it gives them more ownership. Like it shows them, "Hey, this is my website. I'm logged in. This is the email address. This is the levels that I have access to. So since I'm the administrator of the site, I have access to everything. I have access to free, bronze, silver, and gold. And my username is Omar Martin with no space, and I can edit my profile here." So I do this. Actually, our skeleton template already has this built in, but the way that this is created is through those wish list merge codes that we spoke about in video 1, I believe it is, or video 2. We talked about having the ability by using wish lists to insert these little codes that are variables. So we're basically saying, "Hey, wish list, please display the name of the member here. Whoever's logged in, when they log in, show them their name. Whenever they're logged in, show them their email address. Whenever they're logged in, show them their current levels that they have access to." And that's a really cool feature that we can use.
You customize it. It makes them feel like it's home.
Yeah, exactly. It gives them a sense of ownership, yes. Right? This is a step box. This is, again, the layout that you're looking at and the strategic reasons for having a step 1, a step 2, a step 3. This step box right here has added tens of thousands of dollars to our bottom line for every single one of our websites. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. And inside of the Content Nitrous training, I actually show that. So this is that earn money that we were talking about. Remember that earn money page and the promo tools right beneath it? When you click earn money, There's a little video here of me on the beach. How cool is that, huh? Hey, what's up? Omar Martin here, and I want to welcome you to the Content Nitrous Earn Money page. Okay, so that's a little video explaining how affiliate marketing works and trying to recruit them to promote the product. I give them some free affiliate training here, and I let them join I give them a button to join our affiliate program on JVZoo, and I give them promo tools. Okay, so that if they click to see the promo tools, here, we're using another plugin of ours. This is a plugin that enables you to create these fields that contain their tools and that contain all of their like banners and stuff like that. Now, we ordered the banners and we wrote the emails, but then we use this tool called Affiliate Builder. We use that tool to insert them on the page, okay? And what that enables them to do is type in their JVZoo ID. So for example, mine is 13747. And then if I click Personalize Affiliate Tools, it gives me back my JVZoo affiliate link for this product. It gives me, now what it's done is if you go and look at all these emails now, you'll see that the affiliate link in all of these, if we look at, like, let's say this one right here, you'll see that right there, that affiliate link has been customized now. So now it's actually my affiliate link. It's already in the email. And the code for the banners, the banner images, notice the affiliate link has been customized as well. And if I go and I hit reset, you'll see it removes that. So let's go to one of the banners again that we just looked at. Notice how now it says your ID here instead of my. So that's one of the things that we do on the promo tools page. I also offer some bonus page templates and some bonus products and things that they can give away. I offer some images, product images and things like that. So I give them tools to help them make sales. And then on the prior page, that Earn Money page, I teach them how to make sales. So this is a system that's worked really well for us in the past. Homepage, and then the next one in the nav bar is the Earn Money page. And then I tend to give away whatever free content. I have my free content page. In this particular case, we're giving away a free report. But then, since we know they like free content, on that free report page, we make them an additional offer for free audio. And we say, hey, you got the free report. Would you like the free audio that goes along with it? And if they say, yeah, I would like it, then we say, okay, well, do me a favor. Go ahead and share this website. Share it on Facebook. Share it on Google. Share it on Twitter. Share it on your website.
And that's one of our other
tactics. Well, they learned that in Content Nitrous. They learned how to do that in Content Nitrous. And this plugin that we're using is called Buzzinar. Okay, as you can see right here, it says powered by Buzzinar. And that's another one of our products that you're going to learn about. So here's the deal. We're going to go ahead and end this video here because I think we've got a lot for you to absorb so far. And we're going to start back up again. We're going to continue with the rest of the Content Nitrous demo in the next video where we're actually going to go a little bit further and we're going to start showing you how to actually create pages. We're going to show you the elements. We're going to show you the layout and the live editor. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.